Hello, welcome to our RAG Assistance, where we have built from our internal tribal data, ingesting the data, chunking them, and storing them in the RAG using the quadrant database along with the vector embeddings. Generally, every company has a codebase and a pile of documents that only a couple of people fully understand. And when they are busy at the lip, everyone else is stuck. The usual fix is to feed all of that information in ChatGPT. But for anyone in regulated business, you legally can't send your code and data to someone else's cloud, so you get nothing. So we built the thing that gives you the ChatGPT experience without your data ever leaving the building. And this is one of the products which is based on the problem statement that I have recently spoke about, and it's mainly based on the internal tribal data we have trained on a Flagsmith along with its different repositories, engine test data, Flagsmith engine, Flagsmith Goth client, Flagsmith Java client, and Python client. From these repos we have coded, extracted the code images and different other relevant documents that might be necessary for a company firms. And we have extracted the data, we have converted them into different embeddings form and store them into the quadrant database, and then we have a RAG pipeline which will find out the relevant data as we do in the RAG using an open source model at the end. And for using it, we have a little demo about this. We have made an Streamlit app that runs on a server of a 501 port, and it is already been hosted, and it will give an interface of simple interface of Streamlit. This is one of the most simplest UI design given by the Streamlit. It's not a wide scope of a front end design. It's a simply backend design of Streamlit technology. We have the embeddings BAI BGM3. We have used an open source model that is Coin 2.5 Coder 1.5 instruct, and I have just asked questions to my RAG engine that if someone changes a feature flag and it causes a problem for the customers, how do you find out what made the change and when? Does the system give an audit trail of every change, and can you point to where that handled in a code? And it fetches the data from the RAG pipeline, and it says the system keeps an audit trail for every change made to the feature flags. This information is stored in the audit log table, which is located in the Datadogs directory. The audit log.md file provides the detail on this process, including how to identify who made the changes and when they are made. And you can see the different relevant sources which it has given me. It has given me a code source also from where we can improve that. It has given me another content of where it has the main document part, like you can create the flags once project where you edit them within its environment to edit an existing feature flag. While on the environments tab on the dashboard, use the drop down to select the environment when you want to upload the changes. Now let us ask one more questions, like if someone CHA and GS changes the feature flag and it causes a problem for customers, how do we find it and change it? Does the system provide the full explanation? You can see the port is running here to load all the weights of an open source model, and it has given me the answers now with this different sources origin where it has find the content of editing a feature flag, and everything you just saw is none of the business of subscription. No fee per question fee. No data leaving your network. We proved it on a real production code base. This is, and we have 11,449 pieces of code and documentation across the 4 different programming languages. And we can put this on your code base and your documents, and that's the offer. And this is all about the RAG engine. Bye bye.